In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload employee documents in Gusto. To get started, sign in to your Gusto administrator account. Make sure you're using an account with the proper permissions, since document management is usually limited to admins or authorized team members. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to access the employee record where the file needs to be stored. Next, go to the People section in Gusto and select the employee whose document you want to upload. This will open that employee's profile where you can manage different parts of their information. Take a moment here to make sure you've opened the correct profile before moving forward, especially if you manage documents for multiple employees. After that, look for the Documents option in the Employee's Profile menu and click on it. This is the section where employee-related files are stored, so it's the right place for keeping records organized and easy to find later. Once you're in the Documents area, click the Add Document button. This will open the upload form where you can enter the document details and attach the file from your device. In the name field, type a short and clear name for the document. Try to use something specific so it will be easy to recognize later. A simple, descriptive label can help keep employee files well organized and save time when you need to find them again. Then upload the file. You can do this by clicking Upload and selecting the document from your device, or by dragging and dropping the file into the upload area, if that option is available. Before continuing, it's a good idea to make sure you selected the correct file and that it finished loading properly. Next, review the document information. Double-check that the document name is accurate and that the attached file is the one you intended to upload. This quick review can help prevent confusion and reduce the need to delete and re-upload files later. When everything looks correct, click Save to upload the document to the employee's profile. Gusto will process the upload and store the file in that employee's documents section. Finally, verify that the upload was successful by checking the documents list. You should see the newly added document appear there. If it shows up correctly, that means the upload is complete and the file has been saved to the employee's profile. Thanks for watching.